Name in full and repeat after me.
I, Irving Sambolin,
Do promise and swear
do promise and swear
that I will serve this chapter
that I will serve this chapter
as High Priest
as High Priest
for the term for which I have been elected,
for the term for which I have been elected,
that I will perform all the duties
that I will perform all the duties
appertaining to that office
pertaining to that office
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
and will maintain and support
and will maintain and support
the Constitution and general regulations
the Constitution and general regulations
of the Grand Chapter
of the Grand Chapter
of Royal Arch Masons of the State of California.
of Royal Arch Masons of the State of California.
So help me God.
So help me God.